Here we have SCHMIDTS garden snippers, great for cutting, trimming, pruning flowers, trees, shrubs, along with plastics and paper. Great for crafts, cutting artificial flowers, wire, or rubber. I ended up picking these up at the local Dollarama. Let's open this. It has a nice hard pink plastic handle, stainless steel material, and very sharp blades. Here I'm cutting plastic zip ties. It cuts very smooth through the plastic. After this video, I ended up doing some yard work and cutting some old plants in my backyard, and they worked very well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch more videos on product reviews and much more.